All right, so the next thing that we are going to be doing, it's actually allowing the user to view his own bookings right here. We're going to do a link and we're going to allow him to view the bookings. All right, so let's go ahead and actually do this. I want to go back to the home, for example. So let me go to the routes, web.php. I want to go at this part. I want to copy this and I want to go right there. And this will be just users pages, something like this. Gonna paste this in. So this will have another prefix, and this right here will be bookings. All right, so my bookings, anything that you like anything that you like. So we're gonna go and create another controller, and this controller will actually be in another folder. So this controller will be named as the user's controller, like that, and this will be bookings, which is the function, and the name right here will be users dot bookings. Let me save this now. What I want to do next is I want to go ahead and prepare or create my controller. So if I just go PHP artisan make controller, and this will be in the users folder, and it will take the name of the user's controller. So let me paste like that and press enter. We go right here to app, HTTP, and if we go to controllers, we should see the users folder, and there it is, the user's controller right there. So we want to work with this function, and we want to go public function bookings, like that, and we want to go ahead right here and we want to go and grab the bookings right here. This will be equal to let me see, the bookings are in the reservation model actually. So if we go, I want to go models, I want to go to reservation. So here we go. Let me copy this. I'm going to paste this in, not to make any typos, and I want to go ahead and I want to go where and we're gonna grab this by the user underscore ID, and we're gonna send in our auth right here, user ID, like that. All right, so we're gonna grab the data by the user ID. If you look at the reservations table, you will see that we have a user ID right here, user ID column. So we can grab the data by this simply, and we're gonna send in the ID that's coming from the session right away. All right, so right after this, we will just go get like that. And now what we need to do next is just return a very simple view. And this view, it will be in the user's file, and we will call it bookings, like that. And when I go ahead and when I go compact, and you want to send in the bookings, save. Let's copy this. Let's go to resources. Let's go right here. Let's go to users, like this. And here we go. There is our bookings.blade.php. So we don't actually have a page right here for this. So what we can do is we can go ahead and grab another page design, and we can simply modify it. So let me see. So if we go to deals, for example, would that work? I don't know. Let me see. Let's copy the whole thing. That's fine. Let me go right here and paste. So we will keep the background. Let me see. Yeah, we will keep the background part right here for the image. So we will just go, instead of this, I'm just gonna go my bookings like that, and the H2 we will not even need it. All right, so this is the part for the background image, I would say, and this is the part for the form where we simply search, so we're not going to need this. And this is the part for displaying the cities. So I'm just gonna, you know, users controller. It's not gonna look anything like this actually, so just go to the part that is for each and just delete it like this. All right, so let's now save. I want to go to my layouts and I want to link to this above the logout link. So there is my Symbolite master. So where is this at? So as you can see right there, yeah, should be right above this part. So let me copy this. Let me go right here, just paste this in. So we will not need this part. All right, and the route for this, it will actually be the route that we set it right here. Let me paste this in. So all right, so at this part we can just make this so it will be my bookings like that. All right, so let me cut it and just go ahead right here and just paste it. All right, so what we want to do now is just save. So now it should actually pop up. All right, so do we have a problem? No, we do not have a problem. All right, so if we click this now, so we should actually see. All right, so why it's taking too long? Reservation, yeah, of course, it's not finding the model. So yeah, this is it. So if we just go use apps or app, I guess it's app / model / reservation / reservation, and there we go. Let's refresh. All right, so auth, yeah, of course, it's not also finding the auth. So let me go save. So now, as you can see right there, best weekly offers in each city. What we want to do next is we want to display some kind of table so we can actually loop through the data. All right, so I want to go first and I want to make this so it will be an H2, for example. All right, so now I want to go ahead to Google and I want to go bootstrap tables like that. And this will allow us to simply access the tables link. All right, so there is actually our table. So let's copy this. Let's go down here at the bottom of this. So let's paste. Let's see what we will get. Save. All right, so it's gonna take like a while. I actually want to make this order by, and I want to order this by the ID. I want to make this so it will be descendingly. All right, and that's fine. All right, so this is still refreshing, which is a bit boring. All right, unexpected identifier order by. So of course we need to make this so it will be like that. Now all right, so this is looking a lot better. All right, so as you can see, there is actually our table right there. So now we can just loop through the data. So we have a couple of TRs right here. So let's delete these TRs. And let's loop through this one. I can just go for each like that, and I will simply go bookings as booking. All right, so what do we need to display right here? Let's go back. So we can display the name, the phone number, the number of guests, the check-in date, name, phone number, the number of guests, the check-in date. Sorry about that. So I want to copy this and I want to paste like that. Check and date. All right, so the destination, the price right here, and the status. Destination, copy this, the price and the status. And if we copy this, for example, we go right there, and there it is, the ID. All right, so let me copy this, and let's go right there, and there will be the name, and there it is, the phone number. And if we copy this will be the check-in date. We paste this like a couple of times. So after the check-in date, we can grab the destination, we can grab the price, and we can grab the status. All right, save. All right, so there it is. Actually, looks like that we forgot something, the number of guests right here. So this should be after the phone number, number underscore guests. Save. All right, so there we go. There is the price right there. And all right, so the check-in date. Yeah, wait, I made a mistake and I made this K to be capital like this. I hope that you did not make this mistake because it might confuse you, but I will keep it like this for now. That's totally fine. So there it is, the check-in date right here. So I guess that this is all for this video. I might just change this text to something like, here are your bookings right there. Save. All right, so yeah, this is actually everything. In the next one, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean up some things inside our own web app.